get unboxing to this. Oh. There. Can't wait to open this. Oh, I know what to open it. Okay, let me show you what it includes. This is what it includes. First up is a little mixing spoon, and it's pink. That's my third favorite color. Next, so we got some contact solution there. Then we have a clear glue. Then we got another contact solution. Then we got another clear glue. Then we have the instructions. And we got a little plastic bowl as a container too. And this is my second favorite color, purple glitter. Then this is my favorite color, blue glitter. Then here is a bag of shells, a mermaid tail, and some starfish. So let's get started. So we'll get the bowl and one of the glue. Let's open this. Oh, there. Next, we will undo this. First, put all the glue. Actually, yeah, this is way better and faster. Oh, there. Oh! Oh. Oh, there's like a little container. There, let's put that aside. Okay, that's good. Next, now we will need the glitter. And I'll choose the blue since it's my favorite color. Okay. Put that there. It's getting a little messy. Oh, there. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, time to mix it. Wow, look at that. So glittery. Okay, now I'm going to put in 3 or 2 drops of the contact solution. 1, 2, 3. Till it gets thicker and thicker. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can feel it with the spoon. Yeah, it's getting thicker and thicker. I can't wait to play with it. It's getting thicker. See? Woohoo! I'm so excited. I want it to be thicker right now. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more, just 1 drop. Ooh. I'm going to keep adding more. Oh my god, this feels so cool. Okay, let's add more. I don't want it too thick. Oh yeah, it's getting thicker. some more. Okay, I think that's enough of the contact solution. Now let's keep staring. It's so glittery. So glittery. Oh, literally, this is actually my favorite color now. Glittery blue is my favorite color. Oh, there's still some little bit left. Okay, that's all. Okay, one more drop. Okay, there. It's turning, it's turning, it's turning, it's turning, turning, it's turning, yeah. Okay. So keep adding the contact solution while it gets thicker and thicker. Well, look at that. I think it's thick enough. Now I am going to play with it until it's no longer sticky. With your hands. It's so soft. Look at that. Okay, my hands are definitely going to go sticky. I'm so excited. Okay, this is so sticky and so slimy. Of course, because it's slime. Let's squeeze everything out. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's getting a little bit non-stickier. I'm so excited. So cool. Okay, it's getting non-stickier now. It's not sticky. Okay, let's get... That almost went on my clothes. And kids, do not put any slime on your clothes or else it will stick forever. Ever and ever and ever. Okay, it's done, I think. Now let's get all the other slime that stick to the bowl. Come on. Okay guys, I think this is done, so let's put that aside and it's not sticky anymore. And let's move on to the purple one. So guys, you just have to do the same steps. First, I'll add the glue again. Let's get rid of this lid. Try not to splash. Oof, it didn't splash. Oh, this glue is so sticky. Ah! Okay, time to add this and put that. So hard. Okay, I love these kinds of palettes. And it's my second favorite color. Oh, this almost fell. Okay. Tap. Okay, tap some more. And there, let's go to mixing. So glittery. Okay, let's add the contact solution. get stick. Stick, then stick, then stick. Guys, I think the solution is to mix faster. That's why I'm mixing it so fast. Oh, it's turning. That is the solution. There. Time to play with it. Let's get slime out of this. Spoon. Wow. So purple. My favorite color. Well, it's technically my second. Then pink. So cute. So this is how you make mermaid water slime. This is so cute. I love dolphins, so I love under the sea. This is mostly under the sea. Because it's mermaid, of course, right? It is under the sea, right? Okay, I think that is good now. And I am... So now my two slimes are done, the purple and the blue. It's time to mix them together. Okay, this will turn to an awesome color. Oh, this is so cute. Purple and blue will go together, of course. Look what color it makes. Whoa. Okay, it's time to add the little accessories. So guys, I got some mermaid tail. It's pink and blue. Let's add that in too. Okay, next we got two starfish. Let's add it over here. And we got 3 sequins shells. Put them there. And time to mix. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And that's how you make mermaid slime. This is so much fun. Oh, it's dropping. That's so cool. Slime is so fun to play with. Even when you're bad or anywhere. That was fun. So bye guys. I hope you liked this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the